Hello and welcome again to the channel, Package Peepers. Today in our very first video, we're going to discuss what's the best thing to have with you at all times in case of an emergency, SHTF, or outing, camping type situation. What is the best thing to have with you at all times that maybe has all the things that's needed and consolidated into one thing? Something like this Survival and First Aid Kit by LUXMOM. This bag has 142 pieces, including a first aid set, tactical knife, flashlight, and much more. It's 5 to 7 pounds, very easy, lightweight. Has different compartments for hook and carry. And you can carry this thing many different ways. Throw it over your shoulder. Let's take a look inside and see what it got. It has a double zipper, one on each side. As you open up, you see it's jam-packed full of stuff. First, you got the bandages. This comes with Q-tips, gauze, as well as a tourniquet. You have some alcohol wipes. You have small scissors, tweezers in here. And it's a nice amount. You have the emergency blanket. Nice size. This is a paracord bracelet. Also comes with a compass as well as a whistle. You can wear that around your wrist or even your ankle if you have small enough ankles. Here we have fire sticks, 4 of them, for making quick fire. Now this, some people don't know what this is, but what this is for holding your water bottle. It's a carrier. So you latch this on your belt, and then when you need to get your water, you can just detach, take you a sip, boom, latch right back on. Next, we have the parachute cord, which is good in any situation. Always useful. Here we have the tactical flashlight. Small, but yet powerful. Battery sold separate with this. It does have a clip that you can attach it to the bag or to your belt, onto your person. We have the tactical blade. This is a sturdy knife. Well built. Also, it has a blade in the back. You can also cut the seat belt or other things with this right here on this side. This also comes with a clip. Here we have another wire saw, or a wire saw, not another, but we have 2 glow sticks. These are good for marking where you're at. Could come in handy, especially in the night when you're needing just a little bit of light, but still trying to keep the your visibility down. We have another whistle. We have hooks, wire, fishing wire. We have a carabiner. You can use this for all kinds of things. Next, we have the knife and sport combination. You got the spoon/fork. You got the knife on the other side, which is sheathed. You can also, it has a bottle opener at the end. And this blade is relatively sharp. Not only that, but it comes with it comes with a whistle on the end as well that you can use. Next, we have the Saber card. Now, I've never really used one of these, but it comes with a little miniature saw that is really sharp. Comes with a slight blade right here at the end and measuring area right here. Stainless steel. Imagine you can use this for little projects, things that you may need. Next, we have the multifunctional axe. And this thing is pretty bad. Right here, you open it up. You can use it as pliers. You have the axe on this side. And this thing is sharp for a little axe too. I like that. There's a hammer, all the different functional tools. And here you have some more blades, another saw. You have a Phillips head, screwdriver right there. And it has a nice weight to it. Real nice. Here we have a ferro rod, another little measuring tool, as well as the bottle opener right there. Now these ferro rods, and it has that little coating of black. You just take that, and once you shave that off, it's gonna send sparks. Make sure you have your fire stick or flint, whatever you need to be able to start your fire, and this will get it done. And last but not least, we have the multifunctional shovel slash pick slash saw. Let me assemble this thing. It's real easy to put together. Just right here holds that. Really holds this in place so you can switch it from a shovel to an axe, or to a pick, I'm sorry. It's lightweight, and once you lock that in, it's real sturdy. Easy peasy. Boom. Another cap opener right there. You can put it on the side as a saw as well. So this comes with all kinds of things. And all this comes in an easy to carry bag. Now the bag itself has a different departments to be able to carry everything. So you can take everything out the plastic and then pack your bag properly the way that you need to. Storage room back here, second one is right here, as well as the other side. Okay. Here, as well as right in here. Then spots again. All right. So this little bag here comes with all this. And it's easy, lightweight, maneuverable, and something that you can carry in your car. I mean, or just carry anywhere. Okay, so this is my personal bag, and as you can see from just overall view, You can see I have 4 shotgun shells in the front, 2 in the back, 6 total. Most shotguns are 5+1. Shotguns are one of the most common guns here, especially in Texas, used for self-defense and hunting everything from deer to birds. So you might come across someone needing shells that might barter with you, or you might come across a gun itself, a shotgun itself, and these would come in handy. So let's open it up and I'll show you how I packed it and the things I keep inside this one. Let's open it right up. Now, right as you open it, you can see this has a life straw in there. The other bag didn't have one of these. This particular life straw can filter out 10,000 gallons before its use. So this right here, to me, is very important for having in your bug out little bag. And here I have some MREs. We have beef strips in a savory tomato sauce. And then we also have chocolate pudding with protein. Now these, if needed, I can stretch these out to 2 days, right? And knowing that one of the most important things I'll be looking for is food. If I run into a situation where I need to use this bag, right? But let me show you how I've packed it. I'm not gonna go over everything because I already have, but just shows you where the gauze and first aid material is right here. I keep my shovel and my glow sticks on this side. And then right here, I have all my tactical equipment with the flashlight, the knife, and the hammer. So this right here, like I said, this bag is very valuable and can really get you out of a pinch in a SHTF type situation. All right, folks. Well, that's it for today. We hope you found the video very informational. And if there's something that you may have not seen in this particular bag, but you have in yours, please feel free to leave us a comment. And also, we'll be leaving a link in the description to this bag as well. So if you enjoyed this video and you like what you like, please do what you do.